Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious Western style cheese omelet with mortadella. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients we have 4 nice slices of mortadella. It's an Italian mortadella. And over here we have 3 grade A large eggs. A half a red bell pepper. We're probably going to cut that in half and use half of that, right? And a half of a poblano pepper. We're probably only going to use half of that. It'll add a little spice to our omelet, right? And 4 nice slices of American cheese. 1 sweet onion. We're probably only going to use a quarter of that. And 2 green onions. We're going to slice them up and keep the leafy part separate. Okay, let's go ahead and put some of this aside. Okay, let's go ahead and slice up our onion. See if we can peel this easily, right? Okay. Alright, let's slice that in half and in half again, right? That'll make a quarter. Alright, let's put these aside. Alright, let's go ahead and slice this up. Now we're going to chop it kind of fine. Not too fine, but kind of fine. Just like this. Alright, let's put them in a little bowl. Okay, let's put them aside. And let's bring in our poblano pepper. Now, this is a little bit spicy, not much, but when you cook it, it becomes more mild, right? So we're going to cut up a quarter of that today. Kind of make it fine, right? Alright. Now we're going to chop them up. About 1/4 inch sections. Should be good. Alright. There's a couple of long ones. We got to get them. Where'd they come from? Okay. We're going to bring back our onions and we're going to put them right in there. Alright. Put them aside. We'll bring back our half a red bell pepper. Boy, that was a nice one. And we're going to use half of that, which will make a quarter of a red bell pepper. And we'll go ahead and slice that up. This adds a nice flavor to the omelet. Plus, it adds a nice color, right? It doesn't matter if some of them are bigger than others, you know, but we roughly cut them about 1/4 of an inch. Alright, let's bring back our little bowl and we'll put them right in there. Alright, let's put them aside. Alright, let's bring in our green onions. Now, we better cut off the roots because I don't think anybody likes to chew on them. Let's go ahead and slice up our green onions. Now you can cut them as thin as you want. I'm going for about 1/8 of an inch or a little less. Some of them you can cut a little bigger. Okay, when I get to here, the green leafy part, we're going to stop. And we're going to cut these separately. Okay. Let's bring in a bowl and we'll put the green leafy part in there separate. Alright, and we'll bring in another little bowl, and we'll put like the stems of our green onions in there, because they cook at different times during the when we're making our omelet, right? Alright, let's put them aside. Alright, now we're going to bring in the star of the show, Italian Mortadella. Boy, doesn't that look good? Now this is an Italian version of our bologna, right? But you see the little bit of fat chunks in there? They're pork fat. And boy, do they add a lot of flavor when you render them down in the pan. That's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and get these on the cutting board here, and we'll slice them up. Now we bought this mortadella in a 5-pound roll or a 10-pound roll, I forget which, and we sliced it up and we froze some of it, and we can make sandwiches out of it, we can fry it up, and here we're making an omelet today, so that's good. Alright, now let's go ahead and turn them sideways like this, and we'll go ahead and slice it down here, just like that, nice and thin. Alright, and we'll go ahead and turn them sideways, and we'll go ahead and cut through there and make them into nice little chunks, right? Alright, okay, let's bring in our plate, and we'll put all that mortadella right on there that we just chopped up. This is really going to add a lot of flavor to our omelet, and it's going to taste good. I mean, if you never had mortadella and you never had a mortadella omelet, boy, is this going to be a treat for you guys. Nice. Alright, there's our mortadella all chopped up nice. Let's go ahead and put that aside. Alright, we're done with our cutting board. Let's put that aside. Alright, let's bring in a bowl, and let's go ahead and crack some eggs. Alright, now we're going to season that to taste. We're going to add a little salt, a little bit of black pepper, and some garlic powder. Alright, let's go ahead and beat that up. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Alright, there's our egg mixture all beat up nice. Now all we have to do is start making our delicious Western style cheese omelet with mortadella. Alright, and today we're using our new infrared cooktop. It's a ceramic top with dual heating elements, and we're going to put the power on, and we're going to go to medium high right there. Alright, and today we're using this bacon up bacon grease, and boy does this taste good and add an extra layer of flavor to our omelet. Really nice. So let's use some of this. Now about a teaspoon will do it. Now this cooktop really heats up fast. It's really a nice cooktop, and I'll put a link in the description for that. It's really a nice one. I like it. Alright, let's take our vegetables and we'll put them in there. And we'll take the stems of our green onions and we'll put them in there. Okay, let's saute our vegetables. Okay, let's take all our nice mortadella that we chopped up and put that in there. Okay, let's saute everything together. Boy, does this smell good. That mortadella, oh my. This is going to be a tasty omelet, guys. Now do these until they're done to your liking. Now you can go all the way until when they're nice and toasty if you want. But I like them just a little bit crunchy in my omelet. Not much, just a little bit. And when all that mortadella renders all that little bit of fat that it has down, you'll be able to tell because it'll release that nice smell. Beautiful. I think it already did. Yep. Okay. Alright, at this point we're going to lower our burner temperature down to medium low. And we're going to go ahead and take our nice egg mixture, right? And we're going to beat that up. Alright. And we're going to pour that right in there just like this. Alright, now you want to kind of level that up a little. Spread out your vegetables. Okay. Now we're going to take our nice universal lid, and boy do they come in handy, and we're going to cover our pan. I'll make sure I put a link in the description for these universal lids because they're handy. They fit like 7, 8, and 9 inch pans right there. Plus they come in a set of 2 for your larger pans like 10, 11, and 12, right? Alright, we're going to let our egg firm up a little bit. Okay, let's see how our egg's doing. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, now we're going to take a slice of American cheese and we're going to fold it in half. We're going to put it right over here just like this. And we're going to take another slice, we're going to fold it in half. We're going to put it right here just like that. Now we're going to take some of our green onions and we're going to, these are the green onion leaves. Put them right on there. Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let our cheese melt a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing with our cheese. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. It's starting to melt. Alright, now what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get under here and see if we can flip this over. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, let's take another piece of cheese, right? Yep, we love our cheese and we'll put that right on top. And another piece of American cheese, we're going to fold that in half and put that right on top. Look at that. Alright, let's cover that and let our cheese melt. Alright, let's see how our cheese is doing. Oh yeah, it's really starting to melt good. Now we're going to take a few more of our green onions and we're going to put them on top. We'll save some for when we plate it up. Alright, now normally I would use like a silicone spatula in our pan, but that's such a big omelet, I think I'm going to have to use a bigger tool, right? We're going to use our metal one. Now I don't like doing this, but if we take it real easy, we should be able to get under here. Let's get right under here. Alright, that looks good. Now let's go ahead and get ready with our serving plate. Put that right on there. Look at this, guys. That's a beautiful omelet. Let me see if I can show you the whole omelet. I'll spin it around. Look at that cheese omelet there. With our delicious mortadella. And this is a Western style because we have green poblano peppers and red bell peppers, right? Plus onions and green onions. Boy, is this good looking. Alright, I can't wait to have a taste of this, so let's go ahead and have a taste. Alright, here's our delicious Western style cheese omelet with mortadella. And boy, doesn't that look good. I wish you could see it in person because it's bigger than it looks. I always make things bigger, right? Alright, let's just go ahead and add just a little more salt, not much. And a tiny bit of pepper because we like our pepper. And a few more of our green onions. Put a few on there. Kind of spread them around. Alright, that looks good. Alright, I can't wait to have a bite of this because it smells wonderful. So let's go ahead and cut that in half and I'll give you a cross section of how it is. Boy, is that done nice. Let's go ahead and get under here with a spatula and see if I can pick that whole half up and show you just how it is. Wow, guys. Boy, is that delicious looking. And all that cheese in there. Wow. Okay. Let's spin this one so you can see it better. Beautiful. All right, let me move this up. All right, let's go ahead and have a bite off this corner. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good, guys. Really good. All right, let me have a bite and I'll let you guys know how it is, right? With that mortadella. Beautiful looking. All right, let me have a taste. Mmm. That's delicious. You know, this will feed too, right? So go ahead and make it like this and then serve it up to whoever guest you have over, all right? Or maybe even your wife, right? Or a neighbor. All right, there you have it. Our delicious Western style cheese omelet with mortadella. And boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this. All right, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yep. I just have to have another little taste. Look at that. Boy, is that looking good. All right, let me have another bite. Mmm. Is that good? Catch you on the next one.